Photovoltaic industry is one of the core drivers to achieve carbon peaking and carbon neutrality goals, and has a broad market prospect. The PV cell and PV module are the fields with the strongest demand for production line intelligence, and have long relied on imported robots due to their high speed and precision requirements. With a series of internationally advanced technologies, such as self-developed motion control technology and kinetic feed-forward technology, ROKAE has given its products outstanding high precision, high speed, and reliability, successfully breaking through technical barriers and foreign monopolies to realize core process applications such as PV cell insertion, solar cassette handling, solar panel layout, and module palletizing. With the core advantages of high precision, high speed, long reach and high payload, and the customized vision system, the brand new ROKAE solar panel layout robot can fully meet the requirements of the layout process, effectively improving the accuracy and production efficiency of the production line, and ensure the quality of finished PV modules. In the solar cassette handling and insertion process, ROKAE has also gradually achieved breakthroughs for head customers with its high-performance products, boosting the overall upgrade of intelligent manufacturing in the PV industry.